Hello guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to wipe your Blackberry 8520. Yeah, so I'm gonna walk you through the steps, so just watch very carefully and you will wipe your phone in no time. So the first thing you need to do is press menu, and you're gonna come right down to options and you go right. It's gonna at like the top, like about, so you just come right down to security options. Yeah, and then you go on security wipe. So next thing you need to do is to stick this, so that's it. Wipe all the application as well, all the email as well. And if you want to reset the media card, like wipe the media card, you can highlight that as well, like that. But we're not gonna wipe the media card because we don't have any in it at this time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right there and enter that Blackberry to confirm. So we're gonna enter Blackberry, confirm, and put this so be. And as you can see, the wipe is now boot up, so you can see it get colorful as you can wipe. So we're gonna press wipe, and yeah, that's basically it. So the phone will be wiped. So let's see what it's gonna do. You can see it's loading. I'm just going to go straight through with this. I'm not going to cut out anything. I'm just going to give you the raw bond weight record, because you know, at least you guys know what to do right now. So just continue to watch the screen and you will see what happened to your phone. It's gonna take some while, you know, to do its thing. Please leave a comment, please subscribe. I'm gonna leave you guys a link down below to check out the Blackberry site that I have, that you guys can download games and themes and all those good stuff for your Blackberry 8520. Yeah, so after you watch this video, you can just check it out and enjoy. Still loading. should reboot anytime now, because it take about 5 minutes to go through this, to wipe the entire phone. Yeah, so you guys have to be patient. Don't pull out the battery, as you can see. Don't pull the battery out until erasing is complete. Okay? Anytime now, you have to be patient. You could reboot anytime now. Going. I think I'm gonna make a part 2 of this, because it taken so many times. So I think I'm gonna make a part 2 to show you how it looked when it finished erase all the data. So I'm gonna check out and come back in when it's finished.